We got triggered to the Mustang show on Wednesday the 19th and got him settled in the stall. And on Thursday the 20th, we did a live video with him. And then we got on him, rode him around. This was the first time I rode him at the facility, rode around outside a little bit. And then I rode him in the arena where we're going to show tomorrow. Walked him around a little bit, trotted a little bit, as I'm trotting around, kind of watch his tail, and you'll be able to see his tail kind of soften and relax as we're going around. Never really did anything bad, didn't spook hard at anything. He looked at all the signs, and that's where it benefits having the signs up in my arena. There's really nothing new to him. But he was a little bit stiff through his body, and you see him toss his head a little bit there. He's a little bit stiff, and I just needed him to relax. This is the arena where we're going to show trail tomorrow and ranch riding day after tomorrow. I was really pleased with how he did. Moving him around, I rode him one handed the whole time, which is how I plan on showing him. I have the low port grazing bit on him. That's what I'll be showing him in at least tomorrow. I might change day after tomorrow. We'll see. And we did an extended trot around just to kind of get his feet moving. And you'll see me come back down to a slow trot. And you'll see, if you're watching his tail, you'll see how much more relaxed he is when I come down to the slow trot. You'll see his tail a lot more relaxed. And here we go. And his body is more relaxed too. You can really see it in his body. And that's really what I was looking for. Didn't really want to work him hard. I just wanted to get him in here so that he could see everything, relax to everything in here, and hopefully he'll show in here tomorrow just like he rides at home. That's really what I'm after. Ride at home, ride at a show just like we ride at home. I didn't do anything real hard with him. I did lope him a little bit. I don't think I have any video of loping him. And as you see, he's relaxing here. I'm feeding him out a little bit more rain. At one point, I had to walk him further away from the banners because he tried to snag one off the wall as we were going by. Here, I'm just doing a little bit of backup, side pass. He side passes off my left leg better than he does my right leg, but just asking him to do something, nothing too hard. That's off my left leg. That's his better direction. And then we'll side pass off my right leg here. He struggles a little bit with that one. Back last year, if you remember, we had to treat him for hind gut ulcers, and that's kind of where I noticed it was kind of on that right side towards the back. And sometimes when I ask for a lag cue on that side, I think he remembers that side hurting. So we've treated him for the ulcers. He doesn't have them anymore, but I do think he remembers that used to hurt. Now here, I'm just asking him to walk around, just relax. And he's walking around here just like he would walk around in my arena at home. And I can't ask for anything better. So hopefully he'll do good tomorrow. I'll get some video or pictures. I'm not exactly sure what we're going to be able to get and what we'll be able to post, but we'll get something and post it tomorrow so you can see how we play. So I'll be showing in ranch trail and ranch riding. Now here we got done, and I'm walking him out. So I'll put a link up here to his playlist on YouTube so you can see everything that we've done to get to this point.